If your smoke detector starts making a sound like that, you really should change the battery, because if you let it go, it'll beep in the middle of the night and drive you crazy. This is a hardwired model, and some people think that because it's got a power supply to it that it shouldn't beep, but there's a backup battery inside, and that needs to be changed. In case your house loses power and you do have a fire, the smoke alarm will still work. So let's get inside and I'll show you how to do it. Now, taking off the smoke detector actually is quite simple. It's got little locks. All you do is you twist it anti-clockwise and it slides out. This particular model has a built-in screw that holds the hardwire in place, and the battery is located under here. So I'll just grab my screwdriver and we'll take that out. Hopefully this will be a better angle for you to see. There's the screw holding in the hardwired part. We'll just unscrew that. Put that in my pocket so we don't lose it. And this just slides out. And there are 3 little pins in there and 3 little sockets there, so that just mounts in. We'll take this down to the table and take out the battery. Once you have your smoke detector safely down from the ceiling, because it's better off if you change the battery while not standing on the ladder, just grab a regular Phillips screwdriver, if it's a Phillips screw, and unscrew the little latch. It's a regular 9-volt battery with its 2 little sockets. Pull that out, and of course have your brand new batteries on hand, ready to go. Unlike the button batteries, these should be a lot easier to open up. I don't think you need scissors for these because they're not completely encased in plastic. One battery. One brand new battery, and should be as simple as plugging the new one in. Put the screw back in. Doesn't have to be super tight. Now these are the slots that slot into the other slots in the ceiling. So, and you just place it up there and twist it back in. Let's go do that now. Here we go. Line up your slots with your smoke detector, and that just slides in. Grab your screw, place it in there. Hand tight, grab your screwdriver. Not too tight. Okay, and you just line up your little tabs with these ones here, and clockwise, and it's locked into place. That was a very easy fix to do. Make sure when you hear that chirping, you swap the batteries over for fresh ones. Make sure you use brand new batteries. Don't use any old ones lying around. You want to make sure that your smoke detector is working properly. It is very, very important. And as you can see, the smoke detector is located next to my main ducted aircon intake grill. So if you like to see me give it a really good clean, I've got a step-by-step tutorial. I think I'll put the link there, and give it a look, and catch you on the next video. Ciao for now.